Have you ever wondered how kaolin clay, a key ingredient in many skincare products, is made? This naturally occurring white powder, named after Kaolin, a hill in China, has a multitude of uses. It's found in everything from porcelain and paper to cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. The way it's created, though, is a fascinating journey from raw mineral to refined product. Well, prepare to have your curiosity satisfied as we delve into the step-by-step process of making kaolin clay. Our journey begins in the earth, where kaolin clay originates. It's a remarkable trek, deep into the ground, where miners diligently extract this precious element. The process is meticulous, requiring a keen eye and a steady hand, as the raw kaolin clay is carefully unearthed. This clay, often referred to as China clay owing to its origins, has a global appeal, found in the rich soils across various regions. From the white cliffs of Dover to the vast landscapes of Brazil, to the ancient terrains of China, kaolin clay makes its presence known worldwide. Each location offers its unique blend of kaolin, varying in color, texture, and mineral composition. This diversity is what makes kaolin clay so versatile and desired across numerous industries. So there we have it, the raw kaolin clay, fresh from the earth's womb, a testament to nature's incredible ability to produce beauty from the seemingly mundane. With the raw kaolin clay extracted, it's time to move on to the next stage of production. Once extracted from the earth, the kaolin clay undergoes a transformative process. This journey from raw earth to refined product is a fascinating blend of science and nature. The first step is drying. The raw clay is left to dry naturally under the sun, shedding its excess moisture and becoming more manageable. Next, the dried clay is crushed into a fine powder. This isn't just any old crushing, though. It's a meticulous process aimed at breaking down the clay into its smallest possible particles. This ensures the clay's smooth texture and allows it to mix well with other ingredients. Then comes the sifting. The clay is passed through a series of fine sieves to remove any remaining impurities. This is where the clay achieves its desired consistency, transforming from a coarse raw material into a fine, silky powder. And there you have it. From the earth to the lab, that's how kaolin clay is made. But the journey doesn't end there. Once made, kaolin clay offers a multitude of benefits. Let's delve into the beauty realm, particularly skincare. Kaolin clay is the unsung hero, absorbing excess oil like a sponge, helping to keep your skin matte and fresh. It's also a gentle exfoliator, sloughing off dead skin cells for a radiant complexion. Plus, it's a true comfort for sensitive skin, soothing irritation with its calming properties. So next time you see kaolin clay listed in your favorite skincare products, you'll know exactly how it's made and why it's there.